My name is Chris Inverso, and I'm the CEO of Rainier Industries. We manufacture printed wall coverings, window clings, custom casework. We print on almost every substrate you can imagine, between plastics, metals, woods, fabrics, and pretty much anything our customers bring us and say, hey, can you do this? We find a way to do that. We have our display division, and we manufacture products that go inside Fortune 500 retailers and restaurants, the interiors and exteriors of professional sports franchises, including their locker rooms, meeting spaces, fan areas, things like that. Same for Division I sports. So we went live on November 1st, 2014, and for many at Rainier, we say that's when time began, or at least it began again, the new beginning. Over time, we've expanded Epicor to integrate with every part of our business. We've also grown at roughly 11 or 12% compound annual growth rate during that time, and we've grown in terms of number of employees. Added about 50 employees, so grown by 20%, and Epicor's just kept pace with us every step of the way. For Rainier, it really forced us to come to grips with some of the inefficiencies in our business. And when you seek to digitize an analog process, you learn a lot about yourself in the process. And so it's helped us better serve our customers and become more competitive and efficient. For me personally, I've learned a lot about our business. And my development largely has revolved around not only the implementation of Epicor, but its expansion as the impact on our business has increased over the years. Well, obviously revenue and profits have grown, number of customers served has grown, and also our prominence and reputation in the market has grown quite a bit through that. And Epicor sits in the background. It doesn't get any of the credit, but it deserves a heck of a lot of it. There are a lot of things that keep me up at night thinking about, well, is this gonna work out right, or what's next for Rainier? And Epicor and Kinetic are not one of those things. It runs in the background every single day. Our employees use it when they begin and end their workday, and almost every minute in between. In the rare occasions when something isn't working quite right, or maybe there's just something wrong with that specific employee's workstation, we hear about it almost instantly, which tells you what an integral part of our business that Kinetic and Epicor are.